Hello, this is from College Girl and I have a problem. Well, this is my Lenovo laptop Generation 10 and I have recently brought it in Big Billion Days sale and it's causing me some trouble. In the morning when I attempted to on my system, it showed just it the power button is on and then the logo is on and a symbol like this loading has been going on, and after it has loaded the screen went completely black, but the power button and here indicating the power is on. Yeah, now it's blinking, but before that when it was on, it's it's on, it's not blinking. So I attempted I browsed through YouTube for solutions to on my laptop, I mean to troubleshoot and repair my laptop. And after seeing some videos I got that I need to remove any power supply to my laptop and remove all the static energy from it. But as my laptop has a inbuilt battery like this, usually laptops have a battery here which can be removed manually, but to this model it have to be removed by removing these screws and all, and I don't have access to such equipment to do that. So I thought usually the energy will be transferred from a higher energy device to a lower energy device. So I thought why not give it a try and connected my USB cable from my laptop to my phone, which is the one that I'm taking the video with. And after connecting I again switched on my laptop. So when I did switch on, it was a little different. Yeah, first when I you switch on without connecting the USB, it was like the logo and this loading without any words. And next when I connected my USB and switched on my laptop, it was there is no loading, but here is a caption like please wait. And after some time it showed me options of restart, saying that my laptop has some problem, some closed windows or something. I didn't quite get it, so yeah, something like that. And there are two options, one is restart and another one is see the wait a moment, please let me remember. See advanced options, and I clicked it, and there were four options like switch off or go to PC, continue to PC, troubleshoot, and so on. There are four options. I don't know what to do, so I again browsed through my YouTube, and they said that go to troubleshooting and then to restart restart my PC to check the trouble. So I clicked it, and then I got something like attempt going through your PC for troubles. And after some time it gave me that there are some troubles, and if I repair, then those troubles would be deleted and my PC would be restarted to previously, I mean like new, but my personal info would be there, or I can just close it. So I have a few, after few attempts I got to there that level, because I obviously I'm a newbie, so I would surely make some mistakes, and after through 2 3 4 attempts I have got to here. When first the attempting repairs came, it was like stable, okay, the logo, the loading and attempting repairs, the power button was stable, and also this indicating that the system power is also stable. But after I mean it's like a 45 minutes or so it was like this. But before 10 minutes, I mean like after attempting requires showed, after 30 minutes of that, my power button and indicating power is also blinking. I really don't know what to do, but yeah, I'm sitting here and praying to God that it would work. Sometime after loading it, after attempting to repair and all those time, it finally came to this, like starting when I primarily switched on my laptop. It shows exactly like this without blinking but stable LED. So yeah, let's watch what would happen to my laptop now that it is well completed. It's attempting to repair itself, and it's gone, the logo is gone, but yeah, there is a little light unlike before when it was completely off. Oh my god, it worked. Oh my god, it's really worked. See, my laptop is on. It's really on. Oh my. Seriously? I'm jumping on cloud 9 right now. Oh god, it worked. It really does work. I'm really happy. Hope this video would help some, and please don't give up easily. If you want it too bad, then you would try like a devil. My sister always said that. Restore for more info about Lenovo Unity see in store. This app can't open. Copy to clipboard and close. I would see this after some time. Hopefully, nothing would happen before that. So yeah, let's close it and close it. It's still giving me trouble, I think. But yeah, I need to charge it up before anything for it to work out nice, or at least hopefully better than being broken. So yeah, now I have connected charging to my PC, and it's saying something like this app can't open. Keep copy to clipboard or close. So yeah, I'll go with close for now, and I'll try to open this thing again. If it again shows that, then yeah, I'll see something else. I'll go for something else. Oh, it's working, I think, to its full ability, but yeah, it's still working. Something is always better than nothing. That's an idiom, I think, but yeah, it's still working, and I'm very, very glad that it is working. What I want to say is, I truly don't know what I was doing when I have started troubleshooting this system, my laptop. But yeah, I have navigated my way through the obstacles. It's hard, it's tiring, it's frightening, well, for some, because there may be important information in these systems, or there may be close, or they may be I mean, they may be earned by hard working, sentimental, or whatever. But many have their personal informations in their PC. They trust their PC like their themselves, so it's hard to leave it and yeah, move on. Some would even be a little trouble to take them to the shop for them to repair, for them to see through it, to troubleshoot. So yeah, whatever you do, you can do by yourself. Only when you have self confidence and self esteem, you should probably just think that yeah, I can do this, I can navigate through the obstacles. You have to search for answers with what you don't know, because yeah, there would be many things that you don't know, because you might be newbie, or you might not know what you are doing, or you might be completely new for these electronics or whatever thing. And I now speaking of electronics, but it might be anything, like you might be a pharmacist, and you don't know some drug, which you don't know about the symptoms of some drug, but that you're selling or researching or whatever. But you shouldn't leave it, you shouldn't give up. You have to hold tight And yeah, whatever happens, I have to navigate. Whatever happens, I have to reach the conclusion, I have to reach the solution, because without having an ambition or without having a goal, there is nothing. So yeah, I'm happy, and I think you are happy as well.